Maybe you heard about Pinterest and now you're wondering if Pinterest is for your business a good fit. Maybe you are thinking, I'm not sure if this is for me, for my business. So now in this video, we're going to see the top performing categories on Pinterest so you can decide if this platform is for you or not. My name is Michaela, I'm Pinterest manager and strategist, and I'm here to really help you and show you how you can use the full potential. That's why I'm preparing this video about top categories so you can easily decide if Pinterest is for you, for your business, and if this platform can really help you to grow your business and maybe get more traffic, more sales on your eShop, and also like get more customers on your shop. So let's have a look on the top performing categories on Pinterest. First category, it's a lifestyle, anything that has to do with lifestyle, like product or services. So imagine, for example, home decor, interior design. That's a huge category. It's the first category Pinterest started with. So you can imagine it's very, very popular. People go to search for dream houses and interior designs and how I can make my home even better. I can buy specific products, design, furniture, and things like that. So anything has to do with this, like visually appealing products or even services, like interior designer, it's perfect fit for Pinterest. Also, like fashion, it's like a kind of a lifestyle because you are showing how you can dress nicely if you go to party, if you go to office, specific outfits for maybe parties or any kind of things like bags or shoes can be, anything has to do with fashion and kind of lifestyle. That's also very, very popular. So if you have something like product or service that is really visually appealing and makes life easier. So for example, you create maybe some kind of handcrafted items which help people to even make their home better or make them something specific for kitchen maybe that they can use and it make their life easier. That's the point, right? That's a perfect Pinterest is perfect platform for you in this case because you are helping them with your product. So that's something you should consider if you want to be on Pinterest and you might have one of these products or you are in offering something like a which is visually appealing. Pinterest is platform for sure because people go there to seek for new ideas. They plan the purchases and also they kind of create their dream boards, imaging like weddings, which is also part of the lifestyle. While you plan your wedding ahead, you go to Pinterest, you search for your dream dress and the perfect wedding, your perfect day, and that's super visually appealing. So if you may be in this industry or you're offering these products, definitely I would consider Pinterest to platform to be. The second category, which is very popular and always been popular, is food and drinks. Anything what like people love on Pinterest, all the recipes and healthy eating and any kind of vegetarian recipes and stylish servings and even like a table decor, how to prepare your house for the party, cooking tips, even like for special occasions, if maybe it's some like Thanksgiving dinner and tips or appetizers for birthday and baby showers, all these things. So if you maybe sell food products or share recipes, maybe you have a food blog, you also maybe provide services like connected to somehow gastronomy. Pinterest will definitely help you to reach new audience because they are actively looking for some culinary inspiration and ideas. And people really go to Pinterest searching for recipes, desserts, anything you can imagine of. So they want to be creative, they want to seek for ideas, and maybe they just want your recipe and then they find it on Pinterest and they're going to follow you or they're going to click on the pin, save your pin, and then read all your recipe and basically save it and read it. Maybe they will love it and maybe they purchase something from you, maybe course or maybe product. So this is the way you kind of making these paints visually appealing in the topic and you're solving their problems because they want to prepare a great party and you have these products or these recipes. So think about it if you are in this niche because it's very, very popular on Pinterest. Another category is traveling and different kind of experiences when you travel. So what's really trending is, for example, different experiences like travel guides, travel tips, accommodations, how to find budget flights, what to take on my holidays, how to make a flight more bearable, or any kind of visual appealing destinations like beach destinations or winter for skiing. So any kind of like tips, maybe from experience, maybe you have a blog, like we have a blog about traveling and food, about gastronomy. So we kind of, when we travel, we go all over the place. So we travel, we try to taste the local food. We really go and see all the local places and try to, connect with the culture. So these kind of tips are perfect guides for people. They are searching on it on Pinterest. And if you maybe want to get more traffic to your blog or to your website, Pinterest is really, I would recommend you this platform, because people go there, the users go there to search for these kind of things. So think about it, maybe it's this is your niche. The next category is really trending and growing every single year. It's about wellness and beauty. It's a big category. So imagine anything like skincare products, tips for hair, skincare routines, how you can make great makeup for the party, makeup tutorials. It could be any kind of wellness, relaxation. So you basically you are providing solution to the people, to the users, to feel beautiful, to feel great, and maybe solve their problem. Like, I have a dry hair, and what are the tips, what I can do with my dry hair? So you give them the resources to, these tips, and use Pinterest for it, because you are like, okay, I give you 5 tips what you can do at home when you have dry hair, or maybe I recommend you products, and maybe you have issue with these skincare products or with the shampoo, and then it will solve the problem for them. So that's the winner, and they will always come back to you because they find your product on Pinterest. The last category I would like to mention is digital products and different services. It could be anything like ebooks, courses, any templates, especially templates for social media, or any kind of online business tools, personal growth, a mindset. It could be anything to improve their users' life. So also workshops, any kind of marketing, let's say, platforms, or any kind of, like, you could really promote your business and your brand with Pinterest. So I think that's these categories are the most popular and trending, and some of them are growing every single year. So if I do a little bit of summary, think about the top 5 categories on Pinterest are basically anything lifestyle. So imagine home decor, fashion, handcraft, do-it-yourself projects, gardening projects, also a big one, weddings. So imagine visual appealing products or services which are around the lifestyle, right, you are having. Then we have food and drinks, so recipes, any kind of table decor, cooking tips. Then we have travel experiences. So, for example, travel guides, travel tips, accommodations, tips for flights, or anything like that. Wellness and beauty. Yes, again, makeup tutorials, or relaxation, or, for example, skincare products which solve the problems of the users. Perfect. Digital products or services, templates, courses, podcasts, anything which can help to grow maybe your brand, personal growth, or business. That's really, really trending on Pinterest right now. So really now you are thinking, okay, maybe why I'm in one of these niche, and how I can start with Pinterest. You can definitely contact me for more information. We can have a look on your profile. If you already started before, I can give you a free audit. You can also sign up here in the table. I give you free audit, have a look on your profile, Pinterest business profile, and I can give you some tips for free. So sign up here if you're interested, or we can just schedule 20 minutes discovery call and talk about Pinterest and how you can use this platform to your business. If you like my videos, definitely you can sign up here. Every Friday we have new videos, not only about Pinterest, but also give you some tips and experiences from business and how to run a successful business. So sign up here and you get notification every Friday. I will see you in next video.